Attorney, kung sakasakali mag-reverse ang Supreme Court kasi hindi naman anything is possible, no? Kung sakasakali man yan, sa tingin nyo, may pag-asa ba sa Senate? Kasi ang takbo ng thinking, if we are going to go by the statements of the senators, talagang wala silang interest na mag-trial eh. At ang sinasabi nila, ang main argument nila actually is that it's not about accountability, it's more daw of a political move. Let's call a spade. It's a political move by your speaker, the Speaker of the House, against Vice President Sara Duterte dahil gusto daw niyang i-eliminate as a rival for 2028. Ano po yung tingin niyo sa ganong sentimiento? And does the prosecution feel burdened by this?
Number one, yes, we feel burdened by this. Pero let me be clear that the articles of impeachment was not a machination of the Speaker of the House. It is a legitimate, verified complaint by no less than 215 members of Congress, which is way past the threshold of 1/3, which is 102 more or less. Second, if the Supreme Court reverses itself and allows trial, there's another hurdle for us to contend with. What would this be? This is the archiving. Had they just deferred, had they just deferred on the motion that was sponsored by Senator Marcoleta, should the Supreme Court uphold or grant relief to the motion for reconsideration, all that the Senate has to do is to reconvene as an impeachment court, and the articles will be there. But with the current state, it's in archive. It will take another 2 steps to the decision imposed two more layers. There should now be a motion to revive the articles of impeachment, and they have to vote on that motion.
Yes.
And they now need again a majority vote. What does it say? What does this say? Instead of being a political action, political because this relates primarily to the injury done by a public official to society itself. It is to make the public official who has gone beyond the bounds of ethical and legal conduct be accountable. Ngayon, should the voting not garner the majority to revive the articles of impeachment, then there's another issue. Does that mean we have to go back again to the Supreme Court to order them to follow? So all these legal maneuverings, which was never a consideration in the Constitution, which plainly laid down the process of impeachment, made it as simple as possible, they've become so complicated now, in such a way that the reality is you can no longer, or it would be doubly difficult to impeach an accountable officer. Dadaan ka ho sa butas ng proverbial, butas ng karayom. Wala nang mai-impeach kasi dahil naging weaponize yung legal process instead of the political process of the impeachment proceedings. Every step of the way they will challenge it. Hindi na naman the impeachment process can hardly ever move forward, and they've seen that. We have seen that happen in the current proceedings. Every step of the way, they manage to subvert it. The Senate has managed to subvert and to defeat the people's right to accountability.
Attorney, very clear naman yung sinabi ng minority eh. Pwede ba nating i-defer yung voting until makapag-desisyon yung Supreme Court dun sa mga MR na nakafile? Very clear yun eh, di ba? Ang sabi naman nila, together with the Senate President, hindi, magbotohan na tayo to dismiss. Until tumayo si Senator Ping Lacson, ano i-dismiss natin? Eh, hindi pa naman tayo nagko-convene as the 20th Congress Impeachment Court, no? So, na-technical sila ron. Pero ang original plan nila is really to dismiss. against the proposal of the minority to defer voting until the MR has been answered by the Supreme Court, di ba? Kaya talagang i-dismiss dapat nila. Ang problema, dahil nga mas marami sila na archive nila, which is another way of burying the impeachment, kulang lang yung lapida. Wala lang lapida na nakasulat kung sino yung inilibing. No? Kaya sabi nyo nga, 2-3 stages mas mahirap itong ginawa nila.
You hit it on the nail.
Yeah.
You're right in your observation that they did not reconvene as an impeachment court when they voted on the archiving. It is the impeachment court that can archive this, not the Senate as a legislative body. Tama ho kayo doon. And you're right. They added a third layer. So I stand corrected. Not just 2 layers, but a third layer. Kasi that will pose another issue that might be again elevated in the Supreme Court.